Hey guys, so today we are actually going to go through a formula which would allow us to determine the area in a triangle given two sides as well as an angle in between those two sides. And that formula is that the area is equal to half multiplied by one side multiplied by the other side multiplied by the sine of the angle in between both of them. Now, if I were to draw an example triangle, side A might be here, side B might be here, and angle C would have to be in between these two sides. And that's as simple as the formula is. Now, let's actually go through an example in which we use this formula. So, in this example here, again, we're given two sides and an angle in between. So all we have to do is just substitute the variables in our formula with these numbers. So again, the formula was that the area is equal to half multiplied by side A, side B, and sine of the angle in between. In this case, it would be half multiplied by 6.9 multiplied by 5.8 multiplied by sine of 115, and that would give me an answer of 18.14 cm squared. Okay, so let's actually go through another example which might be slightly harder. Now, in this example here, we are given two sides, but unfortunately we're not given the angle in between both sides. And if you remember, the formula states that we have to use the angle between the sides that we know. So fortunately, we're actually given two of the other sides. Hence we can figure out what this unknown angle here is. And we can just do that because we know for a fact that all the angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this angle here must be 180 minus 40 minus 30. Let's not forget the degree symbols, which gives us an angle of 110 degrees. So this here must be 110 degrees. Now, since we have this angle, we can just apply the formula that we have just learned. So the area is going to be 6.7 multiplied by 8.8 multiplied by sine of 110, which would give me an answer of 27.7 centimeters squared. And there you have it. That's how you apply the area of a triangle formula.